Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B2375 indicates a rain-sensing malfunction in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This diagnostic trouble code is part of the body control module's fault detection system. Rain-sensing technology relies on a sensor located on the windshield, which detects moisture and automatically activates the wipers. The sensor plays a critical role in ensuring visibility during rain, which enhances driving safety. Given that it's a malfunction code, the system may fail to detect rain or may activate wipers erratically. It's essential to follow the troubleshooting steps methodically to pinpoint the exact issue, as this code can stem from various causes, such as a faulty sensor, poor connections, or an obstruction on the windshield. DTC B2375 refers specifically to a rain-sensing malfunction which is managed by the body control module. The automatic lighting/rain sensor is located on the upper portion of the windshield, generally near the rearview mirror. This sensor detects moisture on the glass and signals the vehicle to activate the windshield wipers accordingly. If this system malfunctions, it can lead to safety hazards, especially during unexpected rain. The body control module is responsible for various functionalities in the vehicle, including automatic lighting and rain sensing. Thus, diagnosing any DTC that arises from this module should be conducted with utmost precision. When diagnosing DTC B2375, there are several possible causes that need consideration. Firstly, loose or poor electrical connections at the automatic lighting/rain sensor's 5P connector can disrupt the functionality of the sensor, preventing it from delivering accurate readings. Secondly, if the rain sensor itself is coated with dirt or dust, it will fail to detect moisture effectively, leading to malfunction. Lastly, issues with the windshield glass itself, such as dirt, damage, or contamination, could interfere with the sensor's performance. By addressing these potential causes, the technician can work through the necessary steps to resolve the malfunction, ensuring safer driving conditions. Symptoms associated with DTC B2375 can be quite evident. One primary symptom is that the windshield wipers may fail to activate automatically during rain, which is a critical safety feature meant to improve visibility. Moreover, the wipers might operate inconsistently, turning on or off at inappropriate times, potentially distracting the driver or obstructing their view. Additional symptoms may include warning lights illuminating on the dashboard related to the rain sensor or windshield wiper systems, which can indicate malfunctions. If a driver experiences these symptoms, it signals a need for further investigation into the vehicle's electronic systems, particularly the body control module and associated sensors. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B2375 involves utilizing the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This initial action helps reset the vehicle's system before any further investigation. After clearing the codes, the vehicle must be turned to the off/lock mode and then back on to ensure the system is initialized correctly. Once the vehicle is turned back on, it's crucial to recheck for any diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS. If DTC B2375 reappears, it indicates that there is a persisting issue with the rain sensing system. If no DTCs are present, it may point to an intermittent failure, warranting a check for loose or poor connections. The second step in troubleshooting DTC B2375 focuses on inspecting the physical connections at the automatic lighting/rain sensor's 5P connector. It's pivotal to check for any loose or poor connections, as these can severely impact the functioning of the rain sensor. A solid connection is essential for the sensor to communicate effectively with the body control module. If the connection is found to be loose or damaged, it's imperative to reconnect or repair it to restore proper functionality. This step is straightforward but critical, as many electrical issues stem from poor connections that are often overlooked during diagnosis. In the third troubleshooting step, the technician needs to physically remove the automatic lighting and rain sensor for a thorough inspection. This involves checking for any dirt or dust accumulation on the surface of the sensor, as even a thin layer of grime can impede its ability to function properly. If the sensor is found to be dirty, cleaning it gently is crucial. After cleaning, it's essential to recheck the system to see if the code persists. A clean sensor helps restore its functionality, enabling it to accurately detect moisture and communicate effectively with the body control module, thus resolving the DTC. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting a visual inspection of the windshield glass itself. Assessing whether the windshield is dirty or damaged is vital, as any obstructions can affect the performance of the rain sensor. If dirt is present, cleaning the windshield can resolve the issue and enable proper functioning of the rain detection system. However, if the glass is cracked, chipped, or distorted, it would require repair or replacement to restore optimal visibility and functionality. If cleaning or repair isn't sufficient, the ultimate course of action is to replace the automatic lighting rain sensor, ensuring comprehensive resolution of the DTC. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC B2375, it's essential to verify that the repairs have been successful. This process begins by ensuring all connections and components are securely reconnected, as loose parts can lead to future issues. Once everything is reattached, the technician should test the functionality of the rain sensor to confirm that it operates as intended. Finally, rechecking for DTCs using the HDS will validate whether the repair was effective. If the code reappears, further diagnosis may be required to identify underlying problems, thus ensuring the safety and functionality of the vehicle. To prevent the recurrence of DTC B2375 and ensure the longevity of the rain sensing system, consistent preventive maintenance is crucial. Regular cleaning of the rain sensor helps eliminate dirt and grime buildup that can obstruct its function. Additionally, inspecting the electrical connections periodically will help catch any loose or corroded connections before they lead to malfunctions. Maintaining windshield clarity is just as important. A clean, unblemished surface is essential for accurate sensor readings. By taking these steps, not only can the efficiency of the rain sensor be preserved, but overall vehicle safety can be greatly enhanced. In conclusion, addressing DTC B2375 requires a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving the rain sensing malfunction. By following the outlined steps meticulously, from clearing codes to checking connections and inspecting the rain sensor and windshield, one can effectively identify and address issues. Regular maintenance, such as keeping sensors clean and checking connections, plays a significant role in preventing future occurrences of this or similar DTC codes. Awareness of the symptoms that indicate potential issues is equally crucial for early detection and intervention. By adhering to these guidelines, the integrity of the rain sensing system can be ensured, contributing to enhanced driving safety and comfort. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.